नमस्कार, मैं हूं पंकज पचौरी और हम यहां पीर पंजाल जो रेंज है उसके करीब खड़े हुए हैं और यहां पर हम एक खास मकसद से आए हैं। ये वो जगह है जिसकी रक्षा करना किसी भी देश की सेना के लिए बहुत कठिन काम है और यही वो जगह है, यही वो सड़क है। आप देख सकते हैं यहां पर, जिस पर से होकर के एक ज़माने में शहंशाह जहांगीर और उनकी खूबसूरत मल्लिका नूरजहां सफ़र किया करते थे जब वो श्रीनगर से जम्मू जाया करते थे। और आज लेकिन हमारे साथ में जो शख्सियत हैं वो हज़ारों दिलों की मल्लिका हैं और ख़ासकर उन लोगों की जो कि हिंदी फिल्में देखते हैं और उनका नाम है कैटरीना कैफ। कैटरीना कैफ, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आने के लिए। और ये बताइए, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
Very excited. It's a beautiful place, and I've always wanted to come here. And I think the fact that we've come here for a really special cause makes it even more exciting.
First trip to Kashmir.
Yes.
And that too in this place. चलिए हम चलते हैं, हम नौशेरा जाएंगे, वहाँ पर ब्रिगेडियर हेडक्वार्टर में, और वहाँ पर जो जवान हैं उनसे मिलेंगे और जवानों के साथ में हम एक दिन गुजारेंगे। कैटरीना कैफ के साथ में देखते हैं कि जवान जो हैं उनसे क्या क्या सवाल करते हैं और क्या क्या वो जवानों से सवाल करती हैं, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है।
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की
What would you do if you were in this kind of a place and there was no road?
And there was no road. Find a horse, I guess, and get on it. Or I guess I imagine they used to just camp it out, trek it, and sleep in tents. But it's amazing when you come here and you see. I mean, I'm really looking forward to understanding. I mean, it's beautiful for us to come here. It's like for us it's like a holiday, but to actually live here, and this is life, you know. There's no cinemas, there's no restaurants, and obviously they're living inside.
There's no family.
Yeah.
There's no, I mean,
no
your friends.
nothing.
Your friends are only the people you are working
I
with.
want to know how that life goes by, and that too. Obviously, it's not that there is active duty every day. You know, you're waiting. Most of it is a waiting game. I just have to understand that. I mean, that kind of patience, that kind of mental tolerance. What is it that they do from morning to night, and what do they look forward to? What keeps them? What allows them to keep going?
It's also not just that. I mean, it's just the commitment.
Yeah.
It's basically the commitment which makes you to be in a place like this. And to fight for someone else who's sitting in Delhi and Bombay and Madras.
But still, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Even when you're fighting, you can understand that kind of passion and that kind of determination. But it isn't as if there's a fight to be done every day or every week or for long periods of time. Now, the waiting period is what I think must be even harder.
An army man is never off duty. Every day you have to do that drill. Every day you have to go and you have to work, and that takes the kind of commitment which.
I'm very curious to see even the drills. I'm very interested to see what is that kind of fitness level, how we match up to it.
Oh, you will. I can't answer.
I want to see that. I'm very curious to see is that rather than the physical strength, is the mental strength that is required to be here.
Are you thinking of joining up the army?
Not really. And I used to be quite adventurous. I used to have these very funny kind of one day I would want to be a firewoman or a stuntswoman.
Yeah.
Army is not something which I think ever crossed my mind. But I mean, one thing I'm really curious to do is, have you seen this film? I think it's Private Benjamin with Goldie Hawn. It's an English film. Came quite a few years back now. I think we should do that in Hindi.
Do you think it's very important to go and meet these people, because even for a day, 2 days, they'll feel that they matter?
I think if that is what happens, and if that is the case where it's everyone is really happy that I've come and they feel special about it, then I think that's wonderful. That's the best thing that I could possibly do, and then you know that you've really done something that is worthwhile and it means something.
And I'm sure that That's what they're going to pay.
I hope so. I hope so.
So we have reached Nowshera Brigade headquarters, and Katrina Kaif is like fish in the water. I beg your pardon. She's like motorcycle girl who's found her dead. And she's complaining that the gears and the hand brakes are on the wrong side. So let's see what did that teach her in Bollywood. Go ahead.
खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े, दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे, जो भी खुश हो, जो भी खुश हो, उड़े, जो भी हो सो उड़े, जो भी हो सो।
आगे देखिए कितना पक्का है कैटरीना का निशाना.
The hostage is in my way, which in this case is me.
So after the Mobikes, now today is the tougher day.
Well, let's see. I haven't got there yet.
So we are going. What do you want to do basically? You want to see how the Jawans work and what they do to keep fit.
Well, I think that's the plan. I think they're going to show us some stuff, and then
So
we'll
this is going to be.
see whatever it is that they're showing us.
It's going to be really tough, and I'm really, warning you. Don't try anything which is bad for health.
Well, if they're doing it, then I'll try.
Okay, good. So Katrina says that she's going to do everything the Jawans can do. So let's see. Let's go. तो अब हम पहुंच गए हैं रूमली धारा में, जो कि नौशेरा ब्रिगेड का ही एक हिस्सा है. और रूमली धारा नाम तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर बहुत ही सख्त काम होता है, और वो काम है जवानों की ट्रेनिंग का. तो देखते हैं कि जवान कैसे ट्रेन अपने आप को करते हैं, और उसके साथ ये भी देखते हैं कि कैटरीना जो हैं वो अपने आप को कितना ट्रेन कर सकती हैं जवान बनने के लिए. मुश्किल वक्त कमांडो सख्त. What do you have to say? Are you सख्त or not?
Let's see.
The aim of making this range is to make our Jawans physically fit, mentally straight, and a marksman. Marksman is basically a sharpshooter. If you look at this, this is an obstacle course where the entire human structure of our Jawan is made to undergo that physical training so that he becomes that much stronger. Normally a human being is trained to shoot whichever is his master. But here we train in the irrespective of wherever you get a chance, you should be capable of hitting him. And the aim is hit first, hit hard. Get him the soonest that is possible. That's about it, man. We can carry on.
So ambidextrous shooting means that if you are a cricketer, you can play left hand and right hand both.
Right. The same goes for the fighting. battlefield environment.
Yeah, it feels like battlefield.
They're supposed to complete it within 3 minutes. About 11 obstacles.
Oh, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
That seems impossible.
That's why they are commandos. They're supposed to be better than the other.
army.
They're cut above the best.
I think you should try.
I should
I think you should try.
I should try.
I think you should try.
Huh?
Actually,
You have long sleeves. You
Just
can get out
go
of
there
it.
and jump. Take a lift.
Okay.
एक पैर लगा के कोशिश की ऊपर. Pull your body.
There's no way I'm doing this. Huh?
No, you can try.
You try and show me?
Yeah. Okay.
You have to hold yourself there and then take a lift.
Now, jump here. Here. I'm out.
So you've not even touched here.
No.
Yeah.
Because
And you jumped here, but you have to run?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to spend here all day till I do this.
अजीत है अभित है यार.
Yeah, it means fearless and invincible.
Okay, well, so where should I jump from?
You can just take longer strides. Come till here. Yeah. Chalo.
No problem.
Ma'am, even our boys don't do it in the first attempt, ma'am.
I think you should try that one.
No, why are you asking me all the time?
I tried also.
Yeah, okay.
There, I can go in that hole.
Smoke is basically at times the enemy might be watching you.
Okay.
So to blur his vision and you have your boys also moving ahead, we have this smoke thing. It's not difficult otherwise. All you require is a good grip. If you don't leave your grip, you'll land here. It's a double wall, man. Here, with the climb, he has to cross 2 more walls.
This is also 6 foot wall?
5 people. 5.
Oh, yeah, looks slightly smaller. Even they're slipping.
This really
Balance one can do, man.
that we can do.
I won't slip, no?
No, ma'am. You have to go very careful on this. To keep your arms in case you're falling, otherwise you'll use the same.
This is girly. Cheating.
The more body you expose, the bigger target you give to the enemy. So to avoid that, you crawl and then you move from the view of the enemy.